Oh hey, Brew and Feed here. I'm here on the grill cooking some pork loin. I'm gonna go to a local brewery to see what beers they have that I can pair with this. So let's go check them out and see what they're working with. Brew strong and feed well. Hey, Brew and Feed is here at Canary Brewery. We're here to grab a beer to pair with some pork loin that we're gonna make. So let's go check them out and see what they're working with.
Big time, no nine. Diamonds in my teeth, I got a lot of shine. Running up the number, that's a lot of crime. Try to take it from me, must be out your mind. I'm big time, lot of slime. Smoky in the air, that's a lot of pine. Pockets running over with the dollar sign. Try to take it from me. I don't need rags, I just need more bags. Bought the drip to the stove, said I need more splash. On her tippy toes, she can sneak right past. I'm the man of a dream, she asleep on my ass, that's a hall pass. I don't need a hall pass. Watch out for the snakes in the tall grass. Not the one to play with, that's a raw fact. Say a hard head, make a soft, ooh, big time. Number 9.